everybody, it's Carol. Today we're going to talk about nails, okay? And I have a very important message about nails that you have to listen to. Okay, I've been trying every technique there is. The powder, the dip, the acrylic, the stick-on nail tips, the stick-on whole nails, glue-ons, the half nail, whole nail, nail polish with, I experimented with glue on my tips and then I put nail polish. It still eventually chipped. I tried just dipping the tips in the glue and the powder, but then it's too bumpy. So I have been experimenting for you. And I have to say that today, these are all glued on nails. I just love this. Look at this. This is a French ombre. This is a red. And this is a cute animation. This is the ombre. It's from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. This is glossy ombre short square. And the glossy is the whole key. Because, and I have to tell you something very important about this. Okay, so I polished red over this ombre French. When I removed it, it was still glossy. So these are amazing. They're glossy, they're shiny, they're not too long, they're not too square, and you can just oval them off, round them off, oval them off, but I love them. They've been on a week and they are still shiny, shiny, shiny. The red came like this. And I just ordered a ton of these off Amazon. These are great because you could just see the size and then you could match them up, take them off and place them on a paper towel and then do your nails. So, for so long I didn't want to put whole stick-on nails, but I said let me try, being that I found these gorgeous ombre. Now I have to tell you something that will help you. When I had these nails on similar to this a few years ago, when they fell off, I'd glue them back, clean them up and glue them back on. I wound up getting 3 nails. I wound up losing 3 nails because it got fungus from the water. Oh my God, I was so upset. I've never in my life had that. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to prevent it. Now, this nail fell off. This was over here originally. Do you know what you do with this? You toss it away. You throw it in the garbage. You do not clean it up, scrape off the glue, remove it, no, and then put it back on again. No, 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 no. No, you throw it away. Here's another one. This was the ombre. And it feels a little rough, a little smooth in parts. You throw it away. Repeat after me. If a nail falls off, you throw it away and you replace it with a fresh, new nail. If a nail falls off, you throw it away. And this is the only way you can prevent fungus on your nails and losing your nails. So far, so good. They're sealed tight. There's no water getting in, I hope. I've only put fresh nails on, and I will give you follow-ups on it, but I'm telling you from experience, do not re-glue the nail that fell off. Throw it away. Okay, so, I mean, that's what I do now. I didn't do it when, years ago, I would I would scrape it off and then glue it. No, it's never as good as the new nail. It's never as smooth as the new nail. So you take a new nail and you put it on. You glue it, and the best glue that I use is the 5-second IBD brush-on nail glue. You just brush it on like nail polish, and I do like 2 coats, and then I push the nail in. But before that, I push all my cuticles back. I roughen up my nails, and then I wipe it with a alcohol wipe or nail polish remover, and I just wipe it, let it dry, and then I apply the glue and I just stick on the nail. It's very easy. Boom, boom, boom. You could do that at night. You could push them back. You could roughen them up right before you do it. You just have to remove all the oils, and you should be good after that. They should stay on without a problem. If they pop off, what do? We throw it away and we get a new one. I know, I'm preaching this because I don't want to show you my nails unless I tell you what you need to do to prevent any nail fungus. So these are absolutely gorgeous. They're just beautiful. The ombre is so beautiful. And if I wanted to be more French, more of a French manicure, so the white really shows, I could polish the tips white. I could just polish them white. And this, I polished over it. This I polished over, and it's still glossy. The whole key is the glossy. These are the best nails I've ever found. And they are glossy. Glossy, short, square, fake nails. That's what I look up. Hope you enjoyed that. And good luck with your nails. What happens here is my nails aren't chipping every day. They're not chipping. So to me, whether I put polish or glue in a fake nail, I'm just happy they're not chipping. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in my next video. And thank you so much for being here. I absolutely love you all. Mwah!